You are about to learn the precise method for performing an Xbox reset while keeping all your games and apps, crucially avoiding any achievement data loss. This is the definitive guide to refreshing your console without losing your progress. The first step involves powering on your Xbox, then navigating directly to the settings menu. From there, select System, then Console Info, and finally choose Reset Console. The critical decision is selecting Reset and Keep My Games and Apps to preserve your installations. If that first step doesn't fully resolve a persistent issue, the problem might be deeper system corruption, which brings us to method 2. Before proceeding with a reset, always ensure you have a stable power connection and sufficient console storage space available. It's also wise to download the latest system update before attempting the reset again, selecting Reset and Keep My Games and Apps to confirm data preservation. Should you still face concerns about your data, Method 3 offers an extra layer of security. Back up any important data using a USB drive, ensuring you copy game saves and app data separately. Then, perform the console reset, again choosing Reset and Keep My Games and Apps, and restore your backed up data afterward. Finally, to absolutely guarantee no achievement data is lost, Method 4 focuses on verification. Always verify your achievement sync status and check your Xbox Live connection. Perform a cloud save sync before executing the console reset, choosing Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. After the reset, you must resync your achievements and then test your game progress to confirm everything is intact.